welcome to a very new week. All right, so this will just be my trade idea for the week, and I want you guys to follow through. And after all, the complete breakdown and trade ideas will be dropped on my group, on the Telegram channel rather. So I'm just going to do a very quick projection for the week, and that will be on three pairs. We'll go with Euro USD, um, AUD USD, and um, gold, right? So let's start with this. So presently, what we are having is this is, let me explain the trade, the idea behind this projection. All right, so if you check here, you see there has been a break of structure here, all right, and the market kept going further, going up without at least retracing to mitigate this, at least for a 50% mitigation. All right, so the market moved, broke, and kept going. So this, from this place to this place here, they were all liquidity. All right, they were all liquidity. From here to here, they were all liquidity. So what happened next? The market came back, all right, broke this, and then from here mitigated 50% after this break here. So this actually became somewhat like a protected low, right? So the market, instead of moving forward, the market came and broke this. This was how we got to know that the market has changed direction and is heading down here. So now this was what happened. It broke this protected low, came down here to this support, went back over 50% retracement, came back, broke it again, left the OB, and then went back, left the breakout structure, mitigated again, over 50% mitigation, came back here, did same thing. All right. Now, if you check well, you see the trade ideas I took. Like this morning, my trade has already hit TP, right? So look at this. Right, so now this is what will happen this week, right? This market, it has already shown us what, it has already given us an inducement, which is our B, all right? So we need this market to move downwards here. Two things will happen. Is either it breaks, takes this break, retraces to clear up this point here, which is the A, and mitigates this zone, right? Let me take it down. Yeah, and mitigate this zone. All right. So it mitigates this zone. That's why this trade idea is here. Once it gets to this zone here, this area of support, it pushes down. It's going to push down. Meanwhile, we'll have a fair value gap here. We'll have a fair value gap and an order block. Now, what happens here is we are only going to react to this market. We are not going to project, all right? But on a fair note, the way the markets actually behave sometimes, it's going to break this guy here and come down. So we may see a temporary rejection here to the upwards and then breaks down here, all right? So you are just going to be very careful how you react to the market as it is right now. So, but you know the important places, right? The zones like this top here, it's exactly where the market is going to react from down. All right. So I would want you to just keep a trace on the Telegram channel, because what we are doing, we are going to be trading range this week. So as the trades begin to come up, the trade ideas begins to reveal itself. We'll begin to drop. The entry points on the Telegram channel. So just look out for this entry point. All right. So let's now move to Euro. Um, let's move to gold. Let's see what gold has. All right. So sorry. All right. So this is gold. And gold last week did a little pullback that so many persons thought it was a move to the downside. All right, so but this was actually caught. We actually caught this, right? So now this was what happened with gold. There was a break of structure here, all right, and it gave a pullback here and was swept. This liquidity here was swept off, all right. So it needed to pull back to at least 50%. Now it came down here, gave this 50%, and everybody thought that it was actually moving up same, and then came back here. There was a demand zone here. All right, so took out the liquidity here and then reversed back. Now this is what happened. I've marked out this stop right here. This stop right here becomes our C because it was our target. All right, so what price has done now is to take this break, or this is a break of structure. So we're going to mark this out. It's a break of structure. All right, so we'll take it down. Now price has broken the structure to the upside. Right, now what is left here? What are we projecting for the week? Like, as you can see, this market is going to retrace back at least 50%. Now this is my Fibonacci tool, right? So you take the tool and then you bring it down, you bring it here, all right? So you can see from here to here, this is actually where 50% is, all right? And then if you look right below, you see a support point here. This is a support area, right? So what the market would do, the market will come down, which I already marked this out before. So basically, this market, as it has come here, the reason why it's going to reject here, there's also a little build up support here at this area. All right, so let me open it further so you see. Right, so the market comes here, which it has already done. It's going to come here. All right, it's going to locate a PD array around here. Right, it's going to come here, go up a little, then returns back to this area. All right, now once it returns back to this area, it's going to do a little rejection. All right, now this guy here will actually become our inducement, which is a trap, right? So with this, it comes back here, it's going to reject. All right, take someone here, somewhere here, and then come back fully to this support zone. And then when we see the price react to this support zone, then we know that we are actually up for the highs. All right, so it comes back to this place, and then we're actually up for the highs. All right, so what do we do? How are we going to trade this? I would just advise you skip the noise that will be in between, right? That will be between this high here and this support zone. So basically what you should be looking at is to take a long from this area. All right, so your trade idea should be a very big move, and you target this high. All right, so the refinement will be done for something below here, something like this. All right, and then the refinement, the entries and all of that will actually be dropped on my Telegram channel, so the link will be left below, all right, in the description box. So this is this for good. So we now move to let us now move to AUDUSD. All right, guys, so this is AUDUSD. I've had this trade idea since last week. All right, so what happened here, it's a very simple stuff. All right, so price has come from below, from all the way here down to this place. So this becomes a break of structure for us. All right, this becomes a break of structure. All right, so we'll just place this here. This is a break of structure. So as you can see, price has taken this high out. Now I also took this trade earlier, right? So this is a support zone. All right, this is a support zone, and as you can see, price has already mitigated this guy here, so there will be no need for price to come back here. All right, so basically what this market will do, as at is right now, there's liquidity here and there is support here. So this price is going to bounce back to this level. So let me take my tool and mark this out. All right, this price will bounce back from here to this level, and then off it goes. All right, it's going to do something like this, and then off it goes. All right, so let's take a look at this. What's the trade idea behind this? This guy has already taken this high, so it's going to return at least 50%. All right, it's going to take come back 50%. So let's say we use our Fibonacci tool, a Fibonacci retracement tool, and let's see, we'll take it from here. Sorry. So let's take it from here. All right. This guy has been mitigated already, so this guy becomes a swing, yeah, because this place has been mitigated already. So we'll take it from here up to this point. All right, good. So you can see that our 50% is actually on this support area. All right, so if it takes anything below this, that let's say the market goes against, it's actually going to take out this low. All right, and then pushes forward. So guys, this is what we'll be looking out for the week. So the trade idea, the breakdown idea of entries, exits, and take profit points will be dropped on the Telegram channel. So please like, if you like what you've seen, please like, share, and also subscribe to the channel, comment, all right, so that you keep getting this content regularly. The trade ideas, the breakdown, the entries, the exits, the stop loss, and then the take profit points will be dropped on a Telegram channel, which is actually in the description box. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next review.